This butter will never go rancid. It can sit outside the fridge for years without spoiling. Take a pan and add 4 cubes of butter with the highest fat content. Heat the butter over low heat until it melts. It's important not to stir the butter while it's heating. Once melted, you will see foam on top. Carefully skim off the foam with a spoon. Repeat this process as many times as necessary to remove all the foam. When the butter is perfectly clear in color, remove the pan from the heat. Slowly pour the clarified butter into a glass container using a strainer to remove any remaining foam. Then, transfer the butter to the final container. This butter is now ready. It can be easily stored at room temperature. Clarified butter is an incredibly versatile product that can be used in nearly any type of dish. Its unique flavor and properties make it a valuable addition to the kitchens of various cultures around the world.